Hi everyone, my name is Sam Levi Samson, and I just built a website on fitness. And in my project, I I would like to share in few minutes about API data integration and async functionalities on TriBlock. So in my project, I have used data API integrations in two ways. One is through the local data, and also the second one is for external data. The files like programs.js and join.js, which are the JavaScript files of two of the pages in my website, I've used JavaScript to store structured data such as program details, trainer details, the timing, and the description of what the program is all about. And so, as you see here in this script, in this JavaScript, I have mentioned the details clearly in the JavaScript, right? Forming a database for the programs, right? This data is then dynamically displayed using JavaScript by looping through and creating HTML elements. And the second way that I've used is through the external API, which is on the trainers page. Here, I have instead of putting all the information in HTML or in JavaScript, I have used an external JSON file, which is hosted in my GitHub repository. So as I mention this URL over here, I will be able to access all the data that I have put in the JSON file. Now, but how do I get this data to the HTML, right? First, I use async functionality. And in the async functionality, I use fetch um, and then I wait for a response from the JSON file. And once I get a response, then the data is then converted to JSON, and then it will be displayed uh, to me on the screen on my HTML. So when this happens, the trainer images, the trainer details, when clicked on the models, it will open up, and then the trainer details are shown. There is also another functionality that I used in this async function, which is the try catch. In case if we're trying to fetch the data from the JSON and we are unable to get that information, then the system will throw an error. That this error could come anytime if the internet is down, or if there is an invalid URL, or if there is a server issue, then this error is thrown. So using try catch ensures that even if the API fails, the application does not break, but it improves the reliability and the user experience. Right. So this is what I've done, and I've also used other things like lazy loading and fetching the required data. So this is exactly what I wanted to share in this video. The API data integration and the async functionalities of fetch, wait, and try catch blocks are really going to make our website scalable, efficient, user friendly, and maintainable and dynamic. So that's what I would like to share in this video. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day.